In this video, we are doing a complete room transformation. We are bringing the Stockholm dark feminine Pinterest board aesthetic to life. If you want to come along as we do some extreme DIY, some skateboard wall art, some canopies, then this is the video for you. Let's go. Hello besties, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Lexa, and for today's video we have something super exciting. We're gonna be doing a room renovation for back to school season. I know most of you guys moving into your dorms, colleges, houses, whatever it be. I am so jealous. That's like my dream life. So we're gonna be renovating our room together. We're gonna go to IKEA, homesense. We're gonna be doing the whole 9 yards. First, this is what my room is looking like right now. It is really good because I put a lot of energy into my room, but there are some nitty-gritty details that I want to change. This is like my Pinterest board, what I'm going for. So let's go. We have done quite a bit of shopping, as you guys saw, like more than you guys know. I'm gonna show you everything that I got from IKEA. My Shein order came in, which has a bunch of room stuff. I also have a little project that we're gonna add as well, and I still need to go to homesense for finishing touches. That is like near the end because we don't want to go overboard. So let's start with IKEA because you guys saw me shopping at IKEA. So the first thing I did is I got these curtains. So right now I have these clear mesh curtains. I want to change them. I feel like they look a little bit cheap, so these ones are more like a white linen with a really pretty like line through them. I feel like it's gonna give my canopy a little bit more dimension, and also we're going to be changing up my canopy a bit. So you see how it draped completely down? I'm going to have it draped to the side with a bow. That way I can actually put frames behind. And then I got two ginormous frames, guys. I wanted like absolutely massive frames, and that's what we got. This is a 50 by 70 frame, so it's literally ginormous. Two of the frames is going to take up the entire bed, but I want it to be like a huge staple piece. I got this orb lamp. So one of the YouTubers that I follow has this orb lamp and I love it, so I want to put this orb lamp over there on my desk there, and eventually I will get an iMac, and I just feel like that's gonna be such a vibe, you know what I mean? And I got color changing light bulbs so I can change the vibe. Now let me show you guys the DIY project. Over there where my desk is, where I want to have my iMac, I really want to do the skateboard wall art, specifically this Cheetah one and the Saint Laurent C'est La Vie, but it's so expensive. It is like $300 Canadian. So we're DIYing it, aka my boyfriend is gonna DIY it with me and do all the work. So I ordered skateboards off Amazon. Now I only have two with me now. The third one's coming, and then I have Staples is literally printing the poster right now as we speak. So I'm hoping to do this weekend. So the skateboards were $30 each. One poster was $20. It's not like cheap, but it's not as expensive. I'm gonna have 3 of these and I'm gonna place it over there. I feel like this is gonna look so bomb. I'm really excited about this. I hope it turns out good. My boyfriend is like he does labor stuff, so he's perfectionist type A, and I know he's gonna pull this off. Me, I think I would screw it up. Okay, now let's get into my Shein stuff. I ordered a polka dot duvet, guys, and I got it really cheap off Shein, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't love it. So I'm gonna wash it, I'm gonna put it on, but I think I'm gonna get a cream colored, like an ivory colored white duvet. There's just something about this duvet. I think it's the material. I like that it's beige. I feel like I like the warmth that it's gonna add, but it's a little bit too shiny. I thought it was gonna be kind of microfiber or cotton, whereas it kind of feels like a curtain. I got this really pretty pillow. It's a star. Look how cute this is. I got posters. So I got more than I needed because I know I'm gonna interchange them. And also, guys, I filmed my room tour, which means I can actually like start renovating my room. I'm so excited. I have a bunch of cheetah blankets, so thank god I don't need to buy any cheetah blankets. They're all downstairs. My family took them for me. I'm ready to get rid of the pink, guys. I'm honestly just like, once I get hyper fixated on something, it's all I can think about, and I'm hyper fixated on this new room. So here's the first poster. Okay, so this one is the Kate Moss collage one. Ooh, I really like this one. I think I'm definitely gonna use this one. I'm sure you've seen this photo of her off Pinterest. This one is so good. This one has a cheetah on it. It has some stuff that I don't recognize. Honestly, it has New York on it, which I just went to New York and I love. I feel New York in my core. I like this one. Is for sure going up there. The duvet I got the wrong size. I don't know what was wrong with me when I bought it, but I got a twin size duvet. So I'm returning that, and I ordered a white duvet. So we're scrapping the polka dot and I'm getting white. into how I made this canopy because I get a ton of questions. So I've had this canopy for about 4 years. I do everything on a budget and very DIY. I get these stick-on curtain rod holders so I don't have to drill anything into my wall, and I paste them on my wall and on my ceiling. This way I can drape curtains on the first rod and then loop it over the back of the second rod. Now I did have this mesh looking curtain from IKEA, but I felt like it looked a little bit cheap, so that's why I went and got more of like a high quality linen curtain. And originally I just had it draping straight from the front to the back, but I actually wanted photo frames this time, so I swiped each to each side and tied it off with a little bit of a bow. I feel like this makes a little bit more going on, makes it look a little bit more feminine. And I did used to have fairy curtain lights, but I removed those because they often just looked really glitchy and I just didn't like the way it looked anymore. My camera's dead and I'm recording on my phone in 0.5, so the camera is blurry. But guys, I'm trying different canopy layouts. I'm trying to do the best I can to make it feel like princess canopy without interfering with the fan and still making it look good. It's also like 10 p.m. at night. Okay besties, we've made some serious progress. So I'm trying to like figure out how I want to do my bed layout. So I have my white duvet and then I have this brown blanket, which I do have a white one of it, like the exact same one, but I kind of like the brown. Guys, I don't know what to do with the pillows. These two pillows back here I have to keep. It's my satin and my white duvet pillow. I don't need to have these ginormous pillows on the side. That's where I'm struggling with. It feels cozy when you're in it, but from the outside it almost looks kind of weird because of the height differences. Guys, I really don't know what to do. I don't know what colors I want to do because I'm really liking this beige because I like how it has like almost like a tie-dye to it. Brown is just solid brown and it looked better in store, but now that I have it like in my room, I don't know if I like it. Do we even like the brown blanket? Is that not cute? Maybe, you know what? I'm gonna try this with the white blanket. Okay guys, my hair is up because I'm literally sweating. Ignore that. But this is another color combination that I kind of vibe with. No guys, I think this is it. I think the reason this matters so much is because I want to return one of the two pillows. So it's like realistically I don't need both, and if I keep both then a full right to judge me. This vibe I'm loving because the pink satin matches with the pink in the photo. Brown and brown, black and black. The bed is looking great, so now it's time to clean up. Basically like this whole side was literally a mess, so I want to start off by just clearing this out. And I got some new candles at HomeSense. Basically we want it to be brown and black themed. So we're gonna start the skateboard now. So I have my 2 skateboards. I am gonna do 3, but I'm only gonna do the 3rd one after I do these 2, just because I want to make sure it goes as planned. There are full like adult size skateboards. I'll have the measurements on the screen right now, and I got them off Amazon. We officially finished all 3 skateboards. Milish is measuring for the wall right now where to hang it up. These turned out so good, guys. I have to say, vinyl decal, you have to do vinyl decal. If you do poster, it was a hot mess. Vinyl decal, and make sure to pay for like the extra gloss. You can pay for the no air bubbles edition. I didn't do that, and I wish I did. But Milish had a heat gun, and it turned out perfect. Like there's no bubbles.
I also have experience with vinyl, so.
Yeah, Milish wrapped a car before, so he knows how to work with vinyl. But also, I want to say that the quality of your skateboard is going to depend on the quality of the print. So the Sailor B print was like the highest quality digital print, whereas Saint Laurent wasn't. I went through Banner Buzz, and they actually let me know if I still wanted to proceed or not, or if I wanted to change my images. I still wanted to proceed, but just giving you guys a heads up. We also didn't do a Mod Podge gloss on top. Honestly, these look amazing. We sealed in the edges too. We both agree that like going in with any Mod Podge is just gonna create streak bubbles. No, it's not gonna look good.
Or orange peel, yeah. Because if usually when you spray a clear coat or a gloss finish, it can be uneven or create orange peel.
You can change out your skateboards for the season because it's just a vinyl decal. You can peel it off and order new ones from, I personally recommend Banner Buzz. Was like the best company I went through. Just the poster was not pliable, not bendable. You touch it and it was like peeling off.
Actual skateboards, and they're
not just planks of wood.
Yeah, it's not flat, so they curve this way, and this way.
But I love the Cheetah one, guys. Like it's so cute. Okay, besties, after so much time, effort, and money, the fall / Stockholm Pinterest dark feminine girl room makeover is officially done, and I'm gonna give you guys the first sneak peek before I release a full room tour. So I'm not gonna go super in depth, but I am gonna show you basically what all our hard work went to. This is the door you walk into my room, and then when you walk in, you'll see my TV, which is on a mount, and then I have my mirror. Below my mirror, I have this little basket to have all of my bed. Basically, when we pan to the left, this is where it gets really serious. You guys don't know this basket, so you'll see it more in the room tour, but I actually just picked this up the other day. I desperately needed a bedside table, and this one is portable, which is why I really like it, because I do have my closet here. I just keep some of my fall things. I have my fall little pumpkin candle. This is the new bedding, so if you saw my pink room tour, it was completely different. Now we have white bedding with cheetah. We have brown pillows. We have black sheep pillow, my jelly cat. And look at these frames, and look at this canopy. It is so different. I have 2 frames, and then my canopy, which is giving more like princess curtain vibes, almost like this is like a window. I feel like this feels so much more open, so much more decorated, and I love the black bows beside. Panning over here, we just have my basket. I keep all my PR products in there that I want to film with, and my laundry basket. This is another area that I spent so much time on. So guys, this is like the official final product of the skateboard wall art. Can we appreciate this? On my desk, we have my candle warmer, which I just picked up. If you don't have a candle warmer, you need this. It is amazing. I have the cinnamon bun bookstore book. I feel like this one's super fall, and all of my road products. I actually crocheted this pumpkin. How cute is that? Over here I have my orb lamp. I have my Halloween mug with my iced coffee in it, my cheetah calendar, and my leopard candle. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, become part of the Alexa family, and I love you guys so much. Mwah.